this is how you can get the robot in Animal Company. Here's a picture of it right here. And it's faster, and also you don't have to go through that hard way and stuff. He's the one that showed me, and I'm going to tell you what you will need. So let's get the stuff you'll need. So the stuff you'll need is a backpack. You don't need a grappler. You could use a grappler. And you need an umbrella. And a teleport. Or this. I'll put a list up there. And yeah, I'll put a list like somewhere around the screen and stuff. You ready? And you wanna go over here to this corner? Right here? Where he's at?
So next you're supposed to go to this little crack right here, and then you shoot the teleport gun.
And then you should get outside the map. I'm just gonna. And you wanna go.
Use a grappler for this part to get momentum and speed.
And you wanna go to that black thing over there.
You have to look.
You wanna go to that black thing right there.
Follow that. That's where.
Yeah, that's what he's trying to say. But
you see the dot? Rion, do you see the dot?
yeah, I see the dot.
Alright.
Just want to keep going.
Yeah.
Just straight. It doesn't matter if you don't see it, just keep going. Oh, I'm there.
We made it!
And then you're here. And you can look. At these.
Well, my mom called me. Collect all the stuff, alright? Bye.
Bye.
I'll be back in a second.
And look. You just being a robot. Also, this job sure leaves, so other people can move it. So if you don't want other people to grab like your stuff, actually you can other people. My friend just he's back. What up? And then just in. I can fly, bro.
Rion, that Nutella cake was good.
Oh, more respawn. Wait, pick up my bag. It might despawn. Wait, can you pick up the bag? Can you pick up my... You can't pick up anything.
Look at your face.
But this is perfect if you're trying to go AFK.
Look at your face, bro.
It's so beautiful.
Go. Why does tongue stick out? Look at your tongue, bro. You're like, open it for me, okay? Go. I wanna be a robot too. I wanna run away.
The besties! Fight your buddy.
How do you play again?
You just need the umbrellas.
Oh, you need to get the umbrella on your person.
Yeah, and then you can start flying.
Oh,
How'd you die?
Leon, do not be next to your body when you're exploding. Don't be next to your body. Leon, do not be next to your body when you're resetting yourself.
Yeah, I was never gonna do that either way.
Because it kills you. There's a lot back here.
Yeah. I can see. I'm going back to it. Basically, just take that off, and you come back here, and then you can go back into the live event. I hope this helps y'all. Get the robots better and faster. Sorry if you can't do it.
Who are you? You're not Brian.
Who's in the code?
Someone named him. This guy.
His name is Random. For some reason, a random person.
Any last
even though we're
words?
making the video.
Any last words?
I know. And yeah, that's it for today's vid. I hope this helped that you can get these as a cosmetic. Not a cosmetic. They'll soon add this into a tech tree if you need it. They'll soon add it into tech tree. It's a cool.
guys,
yeah, bye.
Look at this